People, welcome to the channel. It's your boy Box Chevy P. If you're new to the channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button and make sure you hit the like button on this video. Let's get straight to it. It's a lot of people that want to learn how to make money on YouTube. It's pretty much simple as they say, but a lot of people don't like doing research or reading or looking into that, stuff. They want to hear it straight from the horse's mouth. I'll give you a few tips on how to create a YouTube channel and how to monetize it in the fastest way possible. So here we go, let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do, you need to create your YouTube channel if you don't already have one. If you already have one, good, you're one step closer. So what you will need to do is pick you a username that is easy to remember, because you might post a video and someone liked your video, but they don't remember the name of your channel. So always pick a easy username that's simple, where if somebody watch your video, they can remember it off the top of their head. And step 3 would be select your target audience. What is your channel about? What kind of substance are you bringing to the YouTube community? Do you have a channel where you want to talk about cars, fashion, lifestyle, business, finances? It's a lot of different things you can talk about, so you have to target your selected audience. You can't be all over the place at once, or it's going to be harder to bring people in. Once you zoned in on your audience, the next step from there is you can set up a Google Adsense account. And once you have your Google Adsense account set up, once you get to 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers within a year, you will qualify to be monetized and make money off of YouTube. So now we get into the meat and potatoes. Made this video for a lot of people because I'm asked this question a lot. I'm only at 10K, a little more than 10K subs right now, but I did 9,000 subs within 1 year. So that show you can do it too. I never planned on being a YouTuber. That wasn't in my plans. I just restore cars, decided to pick up a camera, and voila, my subs started jumping through the roof. So that's pretty much how I became a YouTuber. Like I said, I just picked up a camera, recorded my car, never thought about getting paid for it, never thought about posting it, never thought about having an audience or a bunch of subscribers. I just literally picked up a camera, recorded my car, doing what I usually do in my everyday life, and it picked up and it took off for me. So, I mean, everybody is different. The next thing I will say is, it leads me to my next point, pick something that's gonna keep your audience in tune with what you're doing. You always want to keep their attention, man. If you post a video, always post substance. Don't just post anything. Try to post something with a little bit of substance. Therefore, your audience will be entertained. They'll always be in tune and seeing what you're doing next. Of course, it's not going to always start off beautiful, where your channel is just booming. It's not going to start off fast. It's going to start off slow until they catch on to you. You just look back at your favorite YouTuber channel or the big YouTubers, and you look at their first videos, they not all of that like they are now. So you see the difference. As you grow, the quality should get better, the editing should get better, and your substance should get much better. On to the next step. If you want to be taken serious as a YouTuber, it's 1 of 3 things that you need to do. Number 1, you need to get you a camera. It doesn't have to be a YouTube camera, it can be a cell phone. I've done a lot of my videos off of an iPhone with good quality. As long as it's good quality, you want to be taken serious. So get you a decent camera or a decent phone that records with good quality, at least 4K, where you can be taken serious. As far as editing, that'll be the second thing. You have to learn how to edit. Of course, like I said earlier, it's not going to start off all good. As long as you can do basic editing, download the editing apps, learn how to edit your videos. Therefore, people will look at it and say, okay, it's more interesting. The editing puts that extra drop in there that you need to, lift your YouTube channel up. It just makes it that much more interesting when you got edits in there. And the third thing would be the length of your videos. Your videos, from my experience, people don't like watching real long videos unless it's something that's real dramatic or is real catchy, you know what I mean? But for the most part, I would say make your videos for no longer than 5 to 15 minutes just to start off, just to keep that audience attention, because that makes a big difference in your watch hours as well. If you lose your audience's attention posting videos that's too long. Each his own. Some people like to post longer videos once you make it up in the ranks. where you have a big audience or a lot of subscribers, you can kind of post longer videos because you have more people intrigued on what you're doing. But when you're starting off, people don't like to watch long videos. A lot of people's attention span is really short. So you got to post just something simple, but straight to the point, if you get what I'm saying. Now, to the point on how I got monetized. I can make an example to you. I'm just going to give you an example of how mine worked out. I started off, I had maybe 12 or 13 subscribers just from posting the first video that I posted. And from there, I noticed it started picking up where people were asking, when you post another video, hey, I want to see an update on your car, such and such, such and such. Kind of a key point too. It's like a TV show. You always want to keep your audience looking forward to your next video. So you kind of build up anticipation. And the key thing is to post often. I know it's hard to post out your everyday life. It's hard for me to, where I can't just get in a video and post every day. You know, I record a lot of stuff that I don't even upload. It's normal life. So when you get time, post as much as you can. At least I would say for a beginner, at least try to post once a week. That way, in that week time, while they wait on the next video for the next week, they'll be looking forward to it and they'll be impatiently waiting on that next video. Now, it's a lot of YouTubers that post daily. With the people that post daily, you know, they might have time and that might be their occupation, because it gets to a point where YouTube will be some pretty good income where you can make a living off of YouTube. You know, I see a lot of people doing it, and that's actually what I'm looking to do. But for now, you know, I'm just trying to grow gradually. So with that being said, post often as you can, and that's gonna get your subscribers going up. Now, this is another little tip. You want your subscribers to go up steadily, you gotta post often. That's like I said, every video you post, you're gonna bring in more subscribers. But I'm gonna tell you a little trick, because I didn't know this till I learned it myself, until I actually did it myself. The key to growing faster, if you wanna grow at a faster rate, like I said, post more. But when you get a hit video, that's the key to jumping up faster. See, if you just post on a regular, I was getting maybe 15 to 30 subscribers on a good month, average, you know, 15 to 30 subscribers a month, which is pretty good to start off with. But I was calculating and I'm like, well, this is kind of slow. It's gonna take me, I'm calculating 5 years to get to 1,000 or whatever I calculated. It just was moving kind of slow for me. So I noticed when I got that first viral video, my subscribers jumped tremendously. They went through the roof. They went up, I think, just for make an example, I had maybe 900. I had worked real slow up to the 900 mark, because I had posted, then I had stopped posting for a while, and I took a break, which I was learning, and I'm still learning as I go. I had slowly worked my way to about 900 subscribers, and then I got a hit video that went up. So my first hit video, well, it was a hit for me at the time because I hadn't did that many numbers. I think I had got about 20,000 views on my first video. That was a hit. It wasn't my first video, it was the first hit video. I did about 20K views, and it took my subscribers up maybe about 2,000, and maybe gave me an extra 2,000 subscribers just off of a video that had 20,000 views. That's the key to it. A lot of people don't know. They think they just post and the views just grow up. No, the key, the main key to getting a lot of subscribers fast is those hit videos. So the hit video will come, or viral video, whatever you want to call it, it will come as long as you post in substance. Oh, and another big thing is your thumbnail and your title. You want to keep a short and to the point title, and your thumbnail had to be something catchy. So when you post a thumbnail, post something that might catch people's eyes. You know what I mean? So if somebody was to go past your video and they see something, they want to click on it, make them want to click on it. You got to draw your audience in, and that's a big part of getting a lot of views as well. And you know, a lot of people clicking on your video is your title and your thumbnail. Now, another thing that you don't want to do, you never want to clickbait your audience. I see a lot of big YouTubers doing it now, that they have a lot of subscribers, but I see people doing it. That's something that I never got into. You never want to clickbait your audience, because if you clickbait your audience, they'll see a title and they'll click that title, your video based off that title, and it's nowhere, nothing pertaining to the title of the video in that video. They're not gonna want to click on your video. You might get away with it once or twice, but they're not gonna want to click on your video the next time. So you want your subscribers to always know for sure that they're gonna get exactly what they're looking for when they click on your video. I'm not a professional by no stretch of the imagination, I'm just telling you from my experience as a YouTuber for the last 4 years or 3 years. I've been on YouTube for 4 years, but I actually been serious about it for maybe a year and a half, 2 years. So that's what I learned from my experience. So always make sure your video is about exactly what the title says. That way they know when they click on your video, they're getting exactly what they're looking for. One of the last things before I let y'all go, YouTube AdSense, the Google AdSense account. I'm gonna go back to that. Once you sign up for Google AdSense, like I said earlier, once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you will be eligible for, excuse me for shaking the camera, you will be eligible for monetization. So once you fill out the forms and everything, once you did the 4,000 hours, once you got the 1,000 subscribers within 12 months, they will let you fill out a form for Google AdSense, and then they will let you know if you're eligible to be monetized, which most likely you will be if you got those numbers within that set amount of time. You can also make money off a partnership program, and I hope you guys learning something. You can also make money doing a partnership program by, you have to have at least 15,000 hours of watch time within a month. So if you get to 15,000 hours of watch time within a month, which if you're getting a lot of views, it's not hard to do. But if you get 15,000 hours of watch time within a month, you can sign up for the YouTube Partner Program, and that's also another way to make money. And there's a bunch of videos on here that I'm not fully educated on, but I do know that portion of it. So if you want to look further into the Partnership Program, for those of you that's interested in that, you go to a video, you just look it up on YouTube, and it can tell you more in depth about it, because I'm not that educated on that just yet, because I'm just getting started on that as we go. But I hope I'm teaching you guys something, because knowledge is power. The more you know, the more you grow. Once your channel is monetized, you will make money. If you have to at least make $100 in order to receive a payment from YouTube. So you get paid for your previous month's work. So if this is November or December, we'll say, all the work I put in for December, I'll get paid for that in January. So they pay you for your previous month's work. And if you don't make at least $100, if you don't at least make $100, that'll go on to your next payment. So until your account builds up to $100, you won't receive a payment. So if you got enough views to where you make, making at least $100, you'll receive a check. But if you make $99, you won't receive it until your balance goes to 100. So you pay between the 21st and the 26th of each month. YouTube pays between the 21st and the 26th of each month. So you have to at least make $100 in order to receive a payment. So that's a $100 threshold you have to reach in order to receive the payment from YouTube. So if you don't meet that quota, you won't receive your money. You can make $99.99 and you still won't get your money until that reaches $100. So that's just another little tip for you guys. So once you get monetized, they're gonna ask for your banking information so they can send you direct deposit. If you're 18 or older, you got to fill out the tax forms and everything. And give them your, they're gonna send a deposit to your bank. They're gonna say, hey, well, give us your bank account number. We're gonna send a deposit. They might send 50 cents or $1 just to make sure your account is active. And once they send that, that's to verify that that's your account. And then they go from there. And they gotta get your address and all that stuff. They send you a PIN in the mail, and you have to put the PIN in. And then once you put the PIN in, your Google account is set up. So your Google AdSense account is set up. And from there, you're ready to start making money. So I just thought I'd give you guys this video. Like I said, a lot of people that I know personally and subscribers of mine have asked me, how do you make money off YouTube? It's all about just posting and just growing. So I hope I covered most of the stuff that you guys are looking for in this video. If you got any more questions that I probably didn't touch on, you can get in the comment section and let me know. And I might can answer it if I know the answer to it. If not, I can give you my best answer. But if you're watching this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that like button. Run them likes up for me, man, and I really appreciate it. And like I said, I hope I help somebody. Until next time, it's Box Chevy P checking out. Peace.